Hello, my crafty friends. I hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. Welcome to day 8 of the 12 Days of Christmas series. For today's project, I have created these beautiful tapered gift boxes. I really love the design of these, and these are super fun to make, but it has a very elegant appearance. I used a digital file by MYSCRAPCHICK. I used 2 different paper collections to make this. I used the Prima sugar cookie by Frank Garcia. I also used the Stamperia Christmas vintage paper collection. These tapered gift boxes have a really unique design. On the bottom, it's 5 inches, it's 4 inches tall, and the mouth of the box is 3 inches. On the top, we have this double layered bow, which comes in the digital file, and I have embellished this with this beautiful button detail. We have these fun tags and cut aparts from the paper collection. I think this paper is so pretty. And inside, you have a huge space to fill with fun goodies. The second box has a totally different look. I used this double dot craft paper, and the designer paper is the Christmas vintage from Stamperia. I have this double layer bow in green and red. I also finished this off with a pearl button. We have cut aparts here from the paper collection, and I love this paper design. I used the paper that had all of these wonderful decadent desserts. I think this box would be perfect to store cookies or muffins or other sweet confections simply because of the paper. And if you look inside again, you have lots of room to store goodies. Now, if you're going to include food items, I do suggest that you line the box with wax paper. These boxes are really easy to make. I'm going to grab my materials so that we can make this together, and I'll be right back. The first box we're going to make is the tapered gift box. To save time, I have glued on the matte layers. In your file, you will receive this matte layer. However, I've also created an additional offset so that I can include this green background. So these are the sides of the box. This is the front, and this is the lid. And we have our base. I've used this micro dot craft cardstock. What we're going to do is glue these side panels on just like so. Okay, so we have 2 pieces on the side. We have the back and as well as the lid, and then also the front panel. So the first thing I've done is folded along all of the score lines and burnished. I've also done that for these side pieces. What we're going to do is simply glue these pieces together just like so. Okay, and when you glue them down, it should easily be able to move. So I'm going to add glue on this piece here. You want to make sure you get ample glue along the edge. Okay, now we're going to line this up right up to the score line, and we're going to attach it. Okay, now we're going to put glue on the other tab here. Going to line this right up to the score line just like we did on the other side. Now we want to glue this back piece on, so I'm going to turn this around to the side. And again, we're going to simply attach this panel. And then the last piece we need to glue on is right in the front, which is this piece right here. Now we're going to glue these side panels together to form the box. And we're going to do that on all 4 sides. You want to line this right up to the score line. Turn that over and burnish it. We're going to glue the next side panels together. Okay, now we can glue on the back of the box. And then we'll glue the last side panel here. Okay, so now we have our box complete. So our box is now finished. I really love this baking theme paper. So now we can create our bow. This is my completed box. As I was making the bow, my camera shut off, so I do apologize about that. I have layered the bows in 2 different colors, and then I finished it off with this pearl button in the center. I also included a cut apart tag from the paper collection, and this tag here is included in the file. I think this is a lovely presentation and a very unique gift box design. Although this is quite simple, this has a very elegant appearance to it. This concludes my review of my tapered gift box. Hopefully I've inspired you with some new and creative ideas. If you like this video, please take a moment to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and please don't forget to subscribe. Be sure to join me tomorrow for day 9 of our 12 Days of Christmas series. Thanks so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now, happy crafting, and happy holidays.